In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce PDF file sizes using Smallpdf. If you've ever tried to send an important document and got that dreaded "file is too large" message, you're not alone. Many email services cap attachments around 20 megabytes, which can make sharing high-resolution PDFs a hassle. The good news is Smallpdf makes it quick and easy to shrink those files without noticeably losing quality, so your documents are ready to send, upload, or store. Here's how it works from start to finish. Open your browser and head to smallpdf.com. On the home page, look for the Tools menu and select Compress PDF. This takes you straight to the compression page. Now drag and drop your PDF into the window or click to browse and select your file. Once it loads, you'll see two options: Basic Compression and Strong Compression. Basic is great for keeping visual quality very close to the original while trimming the size. Strong compression reduces the file even more, which is perfect when you need the smallest possible attachment, though you might notice a slight drop in image clarity. Choose the option that fits your needs and click Compress. Give it a moment while the tool does the heavy lifting. Smallpdf uses smart compression to reduce file size efficiently, so you keep text crisp and images readable. When it's done, download your newly compressed PDF. It's a good habit to quickly open the file, scroll through, and zoom into any images to make sure the quality looks right for your use. If you ever need maximum quality for printing, keep an original copy somewhere safe and use the compressed version for sharing. What if your large file isn't a PDF? No problem. If it's a Word document, a PowerPoint, an Excel spreadsheet, or even a JPG image, you can convert it to PDF using the other tools on Smallpdf, run the compression, and then convert it back to the original format. This workflow is a simple way to shrink big files while keeping them easy to edit in your preferred programs. Security matters too. All file transfers on Smallpdf are protected with secure SSL connections, so your documents stay safe while they're being processed. And because it's web-based, you don't need to install anything. It works smoothly on Mac, Windows, Linux, and more, anywhere you have a modern browser. To try it yourself, visit smallpdf.com and open the Compress PDF tool. With just a few clicks, your files get smaller, your emails send faster, and your workflow stays simple. Smallpdf makes PDF simple.